Previously, we have worked on updating user profile. Now last functionality which is left is deleting user account. User will be having option to delete their account. As soon as user clicks on this delete account button, in my URL, I will be having this parameters and I should be including this delete account.php. Copy this file. Inside this users area, I'm just going to create this file. So first I will be creating static structure and later on we are going to write the logic. Create one div class. I will be passing container, margin top of 5 and margin bottom of 5. Then I will create another div and here I will write registration card. Okay, similar classes I'm just going to apply. With I will be passing 50 and margin of auto. I will write h3 class. I will be passing text danger and text center, as well as I will write margin bottom of 4. Text I will pass permanently delete account. Below this I will be creating one paragraph. Class I will be passing text center, text secondary, font weight normal and margin bottom of 4. Here I will be passing one warning. This action is irreversible. Why we are passing this warning? Because user can see once the account is deleted, again they cannot log in. They have to register and only then they can log in. Whatever order history they are having, that complete thing will be deleted. So here we will mention all your order history and data will be gone. If the user is deleting their account, we cannot store all their order information. That also we are going to delete from the database. Below this paragraph, create the form. Action I do not need. I will be passing method attribute. Method I will be writing post. Create div container, margin bottom of 4. Inside this, create the label. Class I will write form label. I will remove this for. Inside this label, I will be creating the strong tag. Here I will write confirm your password. Before deleting the account, user has to confirm the password. Only then they can delete the account. Below this, I will be creating input field. Type, I'm just going to give password. Then name attribute, I will write confirm password. And class, I will be passing form control. And finally, for this, I will make as required field. Save this. Come to project, refresh once. Now you can see in this way the container will be displayed. So here user has to enter the password. Only then user can delete the account. Below this div container, I will create another input field. Class I will be passing btn danger, width of 100 and finally margin bottom of 3. Type I will write submit. Then name attribute, very important, I will be passing delete. And finally, for this, I'm just going to pass the value delete my account. Save this. Come to project, refresh once. I will be having this delete my account. After entering the password, if the user wants to cancel deletion, that also we can write. So here I will be creating one anchor tag. Class I will write btn secondary, then width of 100. Text I will be passing cancel. And inside this href, as soon as user clicks on this, user will be redirected to profile.php. Now save this, refresh once. Now you can see as soon as user clicks on this, user will be redirected to profile page. If the user clicks on this delete my account, whatever password we are having here, that we are going to confirm with the password which is present inside the database. If both are matching, only then user can delete the account. This is the static structure. Next, we are going to write PHP logic for this.